If you're having difficulty opening up an app on the Amazon Fire TV, I want to show you how to fix that right now. So what you're going to do is go over to settings, which is the little gear shift looking thing there. Go ahead and open it up, and you're going to scroll down, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to applications right here, and then what I want you to do is go to the manage installed application. Go ahead and click enter. Now, for whatever app that you have that's not responding or won't opening, I want you to go to it. I want you to click on it. And then from here, what I want you to do is click Clear Data. And after you do that, I want you to clear cache. And don't worry, it's not going to mess up whatever app you have. It's not going to take things off of it to where it won't recognize who you are and the things that you've gone on it. So you don't have to worry about that. If you've tried that and you restart the TV, go ahead and turn it back on. And then what I want you to do is, if that didn't work, just click uninstall. So uninstall your app and then reinstall it, and then you should be able to get into your app. If that doesn't work for whatever reason, check your router, your internet router. It could be that your internet's down. So check another device on that router. Like if you got it connected by LAN or Wi-Fi, check the router, and then like a laptop or a desktop. And if those don't work, then there's not an issue with your Fire TV. All right, I appreciate you watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button.